Okay.
Go sit. Go be a pedestrian. You're now a pedestrian.
Pedestrian.
Ready, safety?
Yep.
Ready, scenario is live. Let's go. Come on. Come with me. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Go hard, go harder. Come on. Pull harder, pull harder. Don't stop. Go. Go quick, go quick, go quick. And time. We're on the clock.
Way to go.
What do you know to do? And pull where? Right back. So we're going this way, right? Like, it's a tough grip, right? My fingers are almost overlapping here, but you can still get out, right? And you just gotta hold on that thing and pull it up as hard as you can. All right? Do it again for me one more time. Harder. That's it, right there. We go up and down.
Good job.
All right. You ready? Okay. And scenario is live. Let's go. Come on. What do you do? What do you keep twisting. Come on, play it. Turn it. Turn it more. Turn it more. Go, 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 go.
Yay. Way to go.
Let me help you with that one. Huh? That's right. That's right. Now, both of you guys did a good job of identifying it. Just don't, when I start pulling, your arm naturally gets longer because I'm pulling you. You have to shorten that up a little bit and then get over the top. Because when you're longer, you're just weaker. So like a lot of you guys were really strong when doing the drill like this because you had it bent. But as soon as I give a pull, your arm goes long, it just gets weak right here.
No, that's
All right, step on up, right? Safety ready? Ready? Use your voice, break the hole. Ready? Come on, come with me, come with me. Stop fighting, stop fighting! Come on, bend the arm, go. Bend the arm, don't let go of it, don't let go of your hand. Come on, come on, do it! All right, so.
yeah, I'll scream mommy this time.
All right, safety ready? Here we go. Scenario is live. Come on, come with me, come with me. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on, come here, come here.
Scream.
Ah, go, 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 go.
Nice.
Good technique. Good technique. Tell me what you did. Tell me what you did. You tried as hard as you could, but you had some skill behind it. So show me the grip. So here. What were you trying to do? Yes. And eventually you did it.
Good job.
Right? It was hard the first few times you tried though, right? Sometimes it won't work.
Here we go. Okay, come on.
Ready?
Man.
Ready?
Let's go, girl.
Scenario is live. Come on, come on. Stop. Oh.
Wow. Good job.
Wow. Good. Come on up for me. She stepped a little bit, and her arm was here, and she just kept lifting me up.
Yeah.
As soon as I got higher, my arm just opened up, and I couldn't hold it anymore. That was great.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta go two. All right. So safety ready?
Yeah.
Okay. And scenario is live. Come on, come with me. Stop fighting. Stop. Nice.
Oh, good job.
Good work.
Oh, that was good.
Good work. Step out just from that mirror, just in case she gets really fast. And... All right. Ready? Scenario is live. Come on, come here, come here, come here. Come on, let's go. Fight, go, hard, hard, go, go. Nice job.
Well done.
You had the cross grip, right? You know what to do, right? What you do? Over top, over top. I got you going for a couple steps, and then how'd you adjust? Yep. You got your feet set up right. You stepped it over. Nice.
Next time.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Scenario is live. Come here, come here. Stop fighting. What are you doing? Pulling. Come on.
Ah! Good job. Good job. Awesome.
Second pull there. I was not expecting that hard of a second pull.